Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my Catchall planner, and I'm going to be using the Planner Anonymous sticker book. This particular book is called In Bloom, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I am using my classic size happy planner, and it is the Teresa Collins classic size happy planner, and I really love how neutral and skinny the lines are. And there's barely any color in it, and the color that is there, it's super easy to apply. Okay, but back to the sticker book. Look how gorgeous this is. She did such an amazing job. I am astonished how pretty they are, and I couldn't wait to use them. And it's so fitting for spring, how could I not? Okay, so while I am placing few girls and selecting my stickers, I wanted to say thank you to all of you who are already subscribed and have joined my planner family. And if you are new and here for the first time, welcome! I'm so excited you found me, and I am so happy to be planning with you. If you guys haven't checked out my giveaway, please do so. It is ending on April 1st, so that's pretty exciting, and I can't wait to be giving all of this away to you guys. So here we go. I'm really loving these stickers. Like I said, look at the bike, look at the girls, all of it is just absolutely gorgeous. And there's even a little girl laying on a patch of grass, and I'm gonna include that, or a blanket. That could be a blanket, let's see. No, that's grass for sure. So it's so pretty. And there's some boxes, so I can include some boxes. And of course there's going to be checklist. This is my catch-all, and I need this to survive. Okay, the sticker comes with weekly names, and I think that might be good. I normally don't change those, so let's see how that looks. I think that's gonna kind of fill in the look of this, so let's do it and see what I feel like. And I think if I just peel this up a little bit and then place over, might not be bad. So let's see when I'm finished how that looks, whether that's going to have a negative effect on me and my spread. One more. Okay, lovely. These are really lovely, and I'm surprised how perfectly they fit in a happy planner. So we have some to-do headers as well, so I'm gonna add those. Okay, so that's working out really well. This spread is turning out so adorable. After showing you guys how I prep my work, completely functional, I really miss the decorating of spreads. It brings me just so much fun and joy, and there's so much beauty in it that I can't stop using it. And then even more so, I don't want to stop using it, right? Which is a good sign. These are lovely as well. They did a really good job designing this book, because I want to use all of it, which doesn't happen very often, but I do want to use all of it. So I'm going to add a couple butterflies because it is spring. Well, maybe now one for now, and I'm gonna do some checklists and see how much space I have after I'm done. Normally I prefer my spreads a little bit open, but today I am feeling kind of super creative and I want to use a lot of stickers because those bring me joy, probably as they do for you guys as well. So I'm just drawing my checklists to make sure that they are included in my daily planning. Okay, more lines. I can make a long checklist. Okay, just a couple more days of this super boring checklist making. I know that they're so boring, but they are completely a lifesaver to me. I probably wouldn't know what's going on in my life without those, so it kind of keeps me on track, especially when there's so much going on. Changing my job. I'm purchasing a home with my boyfriend. We're still looking. We've been looking for such a long time. It is driving me nuts. We are going on our first vacation in nearly a year and a half, so that's super exciting, and I can't wait to do all of those things. But if you want to do all of that and more, you have to be organized, because otherwise it's a chaos. At least I do. I know that there's probably some people that can just wing this or keep everything in their head and they're okay with that. For me, unfortunately, this needs to be a habit of writing things down, just in case I don't get to it, or just in case it's written down and it doesn't hold any more space in my brain, which to me is so important, to have that space in my brain open for possibly a creative outlet or whatever might be happening. Okay, so here we go. So far, this is what that looks like. I think it's beautiful, but you can judge by yourself without me hinting a reaction. I'm just adding very, very decorational pieces now to kind of fill in the empty gaps. I really like doing that because I think it makes my spread more cohesive a little bit. So here we go. And then I can grab some loose flowers and kind of place them all over. I think that's a little lovely. Okay, great. And I'm just adding a few more touches and I think I might be done. These stickers make me so happy looking at them, and just the layout and the fun of it makes me so happy. So I'm just layering a couple flowers to make my own arrangements. I tend to do that once in a while, or I will cut out a flower to make the arrangement a little bit different. Not sure why, but that's just how I am. I think I'm gonna put that little checklist right there, and I might be done with this spread. I'm gonna put this back in my planner, and leave it be. I am in love with how this turned out, and I think it's so much fun looking at this. Let's maybe add that one more flag. That spot was super empty. Okay, and I think now we're done. So I'm gonna put it back in, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below, and have a great week. I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Bye!